Hi food lovers, today we'll be making lentil fritters or akara. So the first thing you're going to do is get your blender, and I'm using 1 cup of lentils and 1/3 of a cup of water. I'm going to put all the measurements I used for this recipe in the description box below so that you can make yours. So after putting the water and the lentils in a cup, I went ahead to blend it, and you want it to be blended very finely. How long it will take is dependent on the type of blender you use and how high power it is, but you want it to be looking like a fine paste, just like this. Now to that, you're going to add in 1 egg and then some salt and some chili powder. I like to keep things simple when making my fritters. Then I add in some paprika powders and some green onions. You can use regular white onions or purple onions, whichever that you have. I just mixed that all together with my hands, and when everything was incorporated, I went ahead to use a mixer just to whip it all together so that you have a fluffy, airy consistency, just like this. And then to my heated oil, I'm frying this using 1 tablespoon to measure my fritters. That way they are all like uniform size. You can use half a tablespoon if you want them smaller, but 1 tablespoon is an ideal size. And you want to make sure your oil is hot but not too hot, so you should be frying this on medium high heat, because if it's too hot, your fritters will not be done inside. And then you're going to flip that and then let the other side cook, and then once it's golden brown, you take it out and put this in a paper tray so that it can, drain out the oil. And here I'm just showing you what it looks like inside. Very yummy and fluffy. So I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.